Have you ever wondered how you can create professional looking YouTube videos without needing expensive software or a fancy computer? What if I told you all you need is your phone and one simple app? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how I edit my YouTube videos using Capcut, a free and powerful tool that is perfect for beginners and pros alike. First, let me tell you why I love using Capcut. It is free, user-friendly, and packed with features that can take your editing to the next level. Whether you want clean cut, seamless transition, or dynamic effects, CapCut makes it all possible without the need for a fancy setup. And the best part is, you can do it all on the go. Let's get started. Let's get straight to our screen record right away. Just make sure you watch this very video to the end, because by the end of this video, you are going to learn a lot. How I edit my video. This video you are seeing right now, I edited it with CapCut. And can you believe it? Because it looks so clean, so seamlessly. So I'm going to give you some features so that you will start editing like a pro with me today. Let's go straight ahead. Okay guys, when you click on your CapCut app and it opens like this, then you click on the new project because you are trying to start up a new project. Now when you look at it, you look at the headings, you will see two sections, which is your video and your photo. So we are trying to edit videos and not photos. Now what are we going to do? Now let's just take these two clips, because that is what we are trying to work on to, or these three clips. For instance, this is like a case of this tutorial. Then let's use three. So once you are done with the selection, you click on add. Then once you click on add, it will take you to your editing side where you can now edit. Now when you look at this, now I cannot allow my audience to see how I started my video editing, like how I click the camera and drag myself back, then start my presentation. Start my video. So now when you look at this now, we cannot take out this, we cannot bring in this part to our video. We will try by taking it out. So how are you going to take it out? When you click on this video, on that video, you click on the video first. When you click on the video, it will be highlighted like this with a white line color, a white ruler. It's like a ruler that show it has been highlighted. Then look at the down part of that video, like look at the down part of the of your video. You will see split, speed, animation, effect, delete, enhance. These are the features that you are going to use to do your editing in this app. So now, which app do we need to take out from? Like, which app do we need to introduce so that we can take out this awkward side? Now, we are going to click on this split. Now, when you click on it, the split, it will split that video from that particular place you want to take out from. It will split it into two. Then the first one is from the part you want to take it from. Then the second part is the good side. So we are trying to take out the bad side and it has been splitted into two. Then what next? We click on that awkward side again. Once you click on it, that means it has been highlighted separately. After you must have finished clicking the split features, then you click on delete. It has been deleted. All right, so this is how you can see it. These parts are now the good part that I want my audience to listen, like where my message are being situated. So this is how I'm going to do it to the end of my video. Anywhere I see that are not, anywhere I see that are odd, like any odd place that I see it is not good for my audience, I take it away. So this is how you are going to do to the end of your video. Now, if you want to color your video so that my video can look real good, what I'll have to do is I'll click on that video. Once I click on the video, I'll look for I'll look for what we call adjust. Okay, this is the adjust. I'll click on the adjust. It will take me to the adjust features. Now, once it take me to the adjust features, I have so many features here that I can use to make my video to look more good and more presentable. Now, if you look at it, I want to increase the brightness of this video. Now, if I want to increase the brightness of this video, I will not increase the brightness to the highest, because if I increase the brightness to the highest, now are you seeing how the brightness looks like? It doesn't look good. It looks more rough and it doesn't look classy. So I'll have to reduce the the brightness, but at least let my face show, make my face show, make my face show. So once I'm done with it, I'll click on this apply to all. Once you click on this apply to all, make sure that you are clicking on this apply to all. It means that you have applied to all your clips, all the clips that you have gathered to edit together. So once you click on it, then you will now you just click it once. Forget that I'm clicking it twice and so many times. I'm just trying to use it to make sure that you understand what I'm saying. Now we'll have to go to the contrast. We'll click on the contrast. We'll change the color, at least make the color to look more enticing. The contrast is like increasing the brightness, but it's not brightness itself. It's just another way to change the color. Then once this side is okay, this length is okay, I'll click on apply to all. It's written apply to all clips. Then another one is to sharpen my video so that my face can look so, it will look like I use camera or iPhone to shoot the video, but normally I use my normal Redmi phone, but their camera is good, so I have to sharpen it. I'll take the sharpen to the highest so that my video can pop out and look more bright and good. I'll click it to apply to all. If I want to put another features, I'll also include this grain. This grain is so good. This grain will make your video to look more professional and more real. It will look natural, like it will look like you use camera, like you use camera to shoot your video. But at the end, nobody will know that you just use ordinary Android phone. So, whenever I want to apply this grain, I don't take it to the highest, because if you take it to the highest, this is how it looks like. Are you seeing it now? This is how it looks like. So I'll just reduce it, I'll just take it to the maybe to 10. I don't want it to show, but people that know that I use grain will notice that I use grain, but I don't want it to be too visible. So I'll just take it to 7. I'll click it to apply to all. It has been written apply to all clips. Then I sometimes I do use features. In case if you want to use features, then you choose the features that you want to use. Maybe you can use this, you can use shadow, you can use clear. I normally use clear. So if you use clear, you still want to reduce the features so that your video can look so good. Yes, once you are done with it, you click on the good sign, meaning that you have applied it. Now another one is if I want to add text, I'll just click on the text button on the text feature, then click on add text. Then maybe I want to write the name of my channel. I'll just say Dexy Pictures TV. Then I can now change the position because it cannot be here. But if you want your own to be here, no problem. But I like my own to be at the top left hand side, at the left hand side. Yes, not at the right hand side, at the left hand side. So that is where I want my own to be. Then I can want to change the font because the brightness of my background is not is not bringing out the visibility of the text. So I can now change the style maybe to red. You can see it now. You can see the visibility. The text is now showing so clearly. Then this let's just take this one. I don't want this video to be too long. Then you have so many style that you can apply to your text. Then we'll go to the fonts. If you go to the font, you have so many fonts. You have the pro and the free version. So I'm not going with the pro, I'm just going on the free version so that I can have access to them. Those version, those pro version, you only pay some amount of dollar then to have an access to it. So this name that I've written, I want it to appear to all my videos from the beginning to the end. So when you look at it, you see that where I started is almost at the beginning. I have to drag it. Then I want it to reach at the beginning of the video. Then I'll have to click on the text. Then come at this down part. Look for what we call lasting text. This lasting text means taking your text to the end of your video, then you click on the last text, then it will be written text will be taken to the end of your video. So when you look it, you see that it's almost at the end of your video. So that is it. And again, the most interesting part is if you want to add music to your video, mind you that the music you are adding is a music that is not copyrighted. It's a free copyrighted music. So we click on the audio side, then click on sound. Once it's bring it up, then you look for the sound that are already in your phone. It's just because my data is not on. But once your data is on, you just click on this side. Click on this side. Once you click on it, you click on this device. Okay, sorry. Okay. So these are the music that I have. So maybe you want to introduce this music, this particular one, you click it. So this is the music. If you want to reduce the music so that the music will not be overshadowing your voice, you click on the music. As you click on the music, you look for the volume below it, then you reduce the volume. So you reduce the volume, then you click on good. So sorry guys, so I have to pause it because it's mine. Give me a copyright. So then once you are done, then the important part you have to pay attention is not allowing this CapCut app to appear at the end of your video, because in every CapCut video, if you didn't take out their their watermark, YouTube might give you a copyright because YouTube hates video with watermark so well. They disregard videos with watermark. So once you go at the end of your video, you see that at the end of your video this CapCut watermark is popping out. So how are you going to eliminate it? When you click on the end of that your video, then you see where the road ending. You click on that part, then you see where we write where delete is located. You click on the delete part, it has been deleted. Okay, now listen, watch and see. So I'm trying to scroll the video to the end. So remember that this particular part that I try to click on my camera, I will take it out too. But I believe that from what I've explained to you, this is how you are going to split your video from this particular side. You will not leave your video like this. People will be seeing how you ended your camera. So you see it, if at the end of that video the watermark app is not showing again. So once you are done with everything you are doing here, everything you want to do, and then you now click on the export, it will start exporting. And mind you that this export needs data connection to enable the exporting. So once it's done exporting, you can go to your gallery. All right. So thank you so much for watching to the very end of this video. If you find this tutorial very helpful, please do well to like this video, comment and subscribe. Then see you in my next video. Bye for now.